Hi everyone, welcome back. This is Solomon. I'm back again, and in this video we are going to walk through our Java program for the Harm Fitness Center. This program is to demonstrate object-oriented programming concepts while calculating and ranking participants based on their time of swimming. The two activities are swimming, cycling, and running. Let's get into the tasks we are given to do. The task is to develop a program that handles participant details securely and handling participants details securely. That's where encapsulation comes in. It should extend functionality through, I think, inheritance for the classes we are going to look at, like the elite class and the beginner participants classes. It should use polymorphism to customize how details are displayed for each participant type. And as well, it should calculate total times, sort participants, and handle ties to ensure data validation with the proper error handling. We are going to start with our base class is going to be participants, which is this here. This is going to be our base class. It uses encapsulation to protect data, and it uses encapsulation to protect data, and by keeping fields private as listed here, that is keeping them private, and as our base class is participants, which uses encapsulation to protect data by keeping fields private and providing getters for controlled access. It also calculates total times and displays participant details, as we can see here. These are our getters. This is our getter, which is being called, and here it is supposed to print out and display our participants details. We created two subclasses, which are the elite participant here and also the beginner participants. Now, for the beginner, it simply uses the base class implementation without any changes. That's where inheritance comes in, and specialized classes build on the base class. When it comes to the elite participant, this one here, it adds our the sponsor name and customizes the display of details to include the sponsor information. Still on the elite participants is where we see polymorphism coming into play, which allows the displayDetails method to behave differently from the elite and the beginner participants, which makes the program flexible and modular, as each participant type customizes its behavior without affecting others. We can see the calling of the display details here in these elite participants, and also in the main participants, we can see it being called upon here. When it comes to the triathlon result class, which is our main class, and the entry point, it creates participants, calculates total times, sort them, and determines ranks. This also uses polymorphism to display details and ensure ties are handled correctly. And if we can run this, we can see what we are talking about. Now this is where we call all we have different classes, like the participants, we have the elite class, the elite participants, we have the beginner participants, but we need to call them, we need a single class, which is, we use this as our main to call all of them. This would rank and display the fastest, the second one, and the last order list, depending on their class, depending on their speeds and what. As we can see here, it identifies out the fastest participant, who I called Bobby. Don't take it the other way around. I just loved the name. But we can see the fastest participant was Bobby. His ID is P002. Actually, it should have been P001. And the time he used is 80 minutes. Now, the second participant, who is Namgerwa, actually, these things should have changed. Namgerwa would have been, I wasn't thinking straight. Namgerwa used 85 minutes, which makes her second runners up. And here we can see our sponsor, the sponsor being displayed too, who happens to be Natch 10. But anyway, that's how it works. This is how our program works. I hope to improve on the explanation, but all in all, thank you for watching. I hope you pick something here and there. I might have not explained so well, but you look at the code, you can copy something maybe. Oh, I'm going to put a link to my GitHub, where all these resources are going to be available if you need to practice or look at the code. You can drop also your comments below. Thank you for watching.